Alright, so now it's still a little hazy, but for the most part, it's pretty clear. That sign, it's just a reflector. It's not too bad yet, so I think I'm going to go ahead and pop it back together. To do that, I'm just going to use some I'm a big fan of silicone, whatever the use may be. This, which you can almost see, is some GE household silicone for, they say, window, door, attic, and basement. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, it's good stuff for just about anything. It's the same stuff that's sealing up the bottom of the gas tank on the Kawasaki. It's not dry in an hour, but it's pretty stiff. And like I say, it is waterproof. It's rain ready in 1 hour. That means not only does it have a pretty firm skin on the outside, the rest of the silicone is pretty stiff already. I want to make sure it's sealed well all the way around the outside edge. Not only is this going to be holding the lens on, it'll be keeping the water out. And if you get water that splashes on the light bulb, poof, it's gone. So you want to make sure it's sealed really well.